In a chart of this kind, we see that it has automatically numbered, with whole consecutive numbers, the order of each of our data tables that we have represented graphically. It would be normal for us to have a category identifier, that is, that position 1 corresponds, in this case, to the year 1970 and so forth. Logically, we are going to want, if we have these data in the spreadsheet, we are going to want it to automatically represent the chart in this way. We can do this using the Select Data button. It calls up a window, which is the Select Data Origin window, and in it we see that effectively we already have the entries, the data sets, and therefore the entries that are in the legend, which are these two, income and consumption, and the data corresponding to rent and consumption are those that are represented graphically. We see that we have a window in which we can add a range which includes the labels that describe these data. That is, here when we tell it, we can tell it that the range that contains the axis headers, in this case, the categories axis, the horizontal axis, well, it is precisely in these data. Okay. We see that the range is equivalent to what I am representing graphically, which is from A3 to A7. I accept. We see that these are the data. We could have written them, but it is not recommended. They are already in the table. And when we accept, we see that in every pair of columns it has added the header of the corresponding year.